Today, we're diving deep into one of the biggest industries in the world, real estate. But not just in your city or country. We're talking about the global real estate market. What drives it? Who are the major players? And how has it evolved over the decades? If you're an investor, student, or just curious about how cities grow and how money moves around the world, stick around. What is the global real estate market? Real estate isn't just about houses or office buildings. It includes land, apartments, shopping malls, factories, and it's valued in the hundreds of trillions of dollars. That makes it the single largest asset class in the world, bigger than stocks or gold. Think about it. Every city skyline you see, every farm, every house, all of that is part of the global real estate ecosystem. A quick history. From farmland to skyscrapers. In the 20th century, global real estate was heavily influenced by urbanization, industrialization, and population growth. Cities expanded rapidly, especially after World War II. Then came the boom and bust cycles, like the housing crash of 2008, which shook the global economy. Now, with emerging tech and post-pandemic shifts, we're in a whole new chapter. Main segments of real estate. Let's break it down. There are 4 key types of real estate. Residential, homes, apartments, condos. Commercial, offices, malls, hotels. Industrial, factories, warehouses, logistics centers. Land, undeveloped property, agriculture, or even forests. Each type reacts differently to global trends like inflation, interest rates, or migration. Region by region, how the world compares. North America. The US has one of the most mature markets. Cities like New York, LA, and Toronto are global property hotspots, but affordability is a growing issue. Europe. Historic cities like London, Paris, and Berlin have limited space, which pushes prices up. Plus, ESG regulations are strong here. Asia Pacific. China's property boom has been massive, but it's now facing a slowdown. Meanwhile, Southeast Asia is becoming a new frontier for growth. Middle East. Cities like Dubai are real estate marvels, built on oil wealth and tourism. Latin America and Africa. These regions offer long-term potential, especially with growing urban populations, but face challenges in regulation and infrastructure. Who invests in global real estate? It's not just wealthy individuals buying homes. Real estate is big business. Your REITs, real estate investment trusts, allow people to invest in buildings without owning them. Institutional investors like pension funds, banks, and even governments pour billions into real estate. Cross-border investment is booming. Chinese investors buying property in Canada, Americans in Mexico, Germans in Spain. It's all part of the game. Tech is changing everything. Ever heard of PropTech? That's short for property technology. We're talking AI for property valuation, drones for inspecting land, and blockchain for real estate deals. Smart homes, virtual real estate tours, and even digital land in the metaverse. The future is already here. The big influences: rates, politics, and inflation. Interest rates can make or break real estate markets. When rates go up, mortgages get expensive, prices slow down. Governments also play a big role, through taxes, zoning laws, and incentives. And don't forget inflation. It can drive prices up and reshape demand. Sustainability in real estate. Green buildings aren't just a trend. They're becoming a necessity. Developers are focusing on net zero emissions, eco-friendly materials, and smart energy systems. Real estate must adapt to climate change, especially in coastal cities and disaster-prone areas. How COVID changed everything. The pandemic reshaped real estate like never before. Offices went remote. People moved from big cities to suburbs. Demand for larger homes skyrocketed. Retail spaces struggled while logistics centers thrived. What's next? Looking ahead, several trends stand out. The rise of digital property ownership, urban vertical living, co-living and shared workspaces, climate resilience in building design, AI-driven real estate analytics. The global real estate market isn't just about buildings. It's about people, policy, and possibility. The global real estate market, an in-depth analysis. The global real estate market stands as one of the most significant pillars of the modern economy. As an asset class, real estate transcends borders, cultures, and economic systems, influencing everything from household wealth to national GDP. Whether in the form of residential housing, high-rise commercial buildings, industrial warehouses, or vast tracts of agricultural land, real estate represents both a fundamental human need, shelter, and a sophisticated financial instrument. Real estate's importance cannot be overstated. According to data from MSCI, the estimated size of the professionally managed global real estate investment market exceeded $12 trillion by 2023. However, this figure only captures the institutionalized part of the sector. Including owner-occupied and informal markets, the global real estate market is worth hundreds of trillions of dollars. This makes it the largest store of wealth globally, surpassing equities, bonds, and commodities. The purpose of this report is to explore the global real estate market in a comprehensive manner, tracing its evolution, breaking down its components, and analyzing the economic, technological, and environmental forces that are shaping its future. So whether you're buying your first apartment or just fascinated by how the world works, real estate is something that affects us all. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments, which country's real estate market do you find most interesting?